Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing a firefighter. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker, but you can change this for pencil. We're gonna start in the right side of the paper. Here's gonna be my character, and on the left side we're gonna put fire right here. Okay, so let's start on this side doing the face, and I want to start with a big letter U. I'm gonna go from left to right, and I'm going up. And now to close this the part of the face, the top part of the face, we're gonna do a line across from side to side, and it's a curved line. And I want to pass a little bit on the sides. You see I'm leaving a little bit of a space here with the line, right here and right here. And that's for the hat. The next is going to be the ears. We're going to do two C shapes on the sides of their head. And let's continue with the eyes. I want to do my eyes like two oval shapes. You can change this if you want. You can put different type of eyes. I want to fill mine with black. And now I want to do the eyebrows, two little lines on the top, and the nose is a C shape. Now the smile is a big curve. The next thing is going to be the hair. We're going to do two curved lines. They go from the ear to the top of the head. And now in the middle we're going to do U shapes. They connect to the other side. So here it looks like a boy. And it could look like a boy, so I want to do my character like a girl, so I want to add here hair. If you want it to look like a boy, you don't need to add this step, okay? So what I did here is from the ear I did three U shapes going down, and then 1, 2, and 3. There. Now you can also put some eyelashes for make it look more like a girl. The next step is finish the hat. So we're gonna go around. I wanna do a line that goes from the hair around, kind of like an oval shape, and coming down back to the other side. For the top part, we're gonna do in the center two lines. We're gonna leave a space. And then on top of those lines, we're gonna do kind of like a C shape. And now we're gonna connect these two together with another line. The next step is from this corner, I'm going down, this corner, down. And on the center of the hat, I'm gonna do kind of like a badge that they have. So I'm doing a rectangle shape on the top, two little lines that come down, and a curved line. There. The next step is gonna be, we're gonna start doing the suit down here. So let's start with two little lines that go down underneath her chin. And I want to start with the left hand first. So we're going to do our circle. Now for the right hand, I'm going to go down a little bit, leaving a space. And I want to do another circle here. See, they are kind of like in diagonal, line on the diagonal line. And let's do some fingers. We're going to put two little lines on the top in the left hand. And two little lines on the bottom in the right hand. Now she's holding a hose, and we're gonna do two lines here, leaving a space in the middle. And I wanna imagine these two lines go in the back and go down, in the back and go down. And I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And then the other side, I wanna do the same thing. This time the lines are really tiny. Okay, now let's do a line in the center. And let's finish this suit by following this line in behind the hose and going down. I'm going to do the same on the sides. I want to go down here, and I want to imagine this go on the back. I'm not going to connect these two. I'm just going to go here, right down here on the back. And now I'm going to connect them on the bottom. There. Now let's do the arms. It's just going to be two lines that go down. This one go down on the right side and curve a little bit, connecting to the hand. And I want to do a teeny tiny line there. I'm not going to close completely. Now, in the suit, they have like kind of like really bright parts on the suit. And we're going to do that like two lines. See, they're going in the arm too. I'm gonna do the same down here. I'm gonna do 2 lines just like this. And now let's continue with the pants. I'm gonna do 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. And we're gonna close on the bottom because we are gonna do some boots. So we're gonna just close down here. And now for the boots, I'm gonna do 2 lines that come down in each side. We're gonna put the line in the middle. And we're gonna connect these lines with a curve and going up. With a curve, going up. And there. Okay, now we're gonna continue doing the hose. I'm gonna do at this end a rectangle shape. And now I'm gonna do another rectangle shape, but this one is really thin. Now we're gonna do the water, and I'm gonna do like 2 big droplets, but you can do it differently. You can do like there's a lot of water coming out too. To finish our draw, we're gonna do the hydrant right here, and I'm just gonna do half of it. So I'm gonna start with a rectangle shape, and I'm gonna connect here the hose. Now let's do a line that goes down a little bit on the top and then down. And in this part, I'm just gonna do a curved line. And on the top, I'm gonna do another rectangle. And like I said, I'm not closing my lines, I'm just leaving a space on the end of the paper. Now a curve, and on the top, I'm doing another rectangle shape. And here you see all the space I'm leaving. And now here, I'm gonna do a circle and another one inside. The last step is the fire. You can save this step at the end when we start coloring. I'm just gonna give you an idea how it's gonna look like. And I'm gonna start doing big triangle shapes going up, just like this. And they can be different sizes. And I'm gonna connect to the bottom. And there, that's it. We finished this draw of a firefighter. I hope you're enjoying drawing with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more lessons like this one. And now, my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. Here is where you can see the colors I used. You can match these colorings with your draw. You can see how I did this part. I just leave it like a little bit of a space. You can color all the way the flame. I put some oranges and some red. And here I usually use yellow and red for the hat. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with your friends, since that helps a lot to my channel. See you next time!